All right, besties, you know how much I love all things mini, and Cute Bee knows that too. And they sent me this cute little book nook DIY miniature house. We are going to unbox it and put it together. This is their corner coffee shop, and I cannot wait to start this little project. So it slides right out of the sleeve, and I already love that there's many languages on here that just says the art of assembling the world. And I think that is just too cute. It seems to be very well packaged, and they've really paid attention to all the details. So this is, oh, I just dropped it. Hold on. This is a little Ziploc baggie of accessories. There's suggestions on the back. So I will read that. And then this is wooden. Wow, this is wooden, and these are all of the pieces to build, I think, the structure. So let's get started. All right, friends, so this is actually the start of my second day working on this. I put in about, I want to say about 4 hours the first day. So let's see how fast I can get the rest of it done today. All of these little details definitely take like tweezers. I mean, these are like super, super small details. Like this little thing right here. Look at that. I had to put this together piece by piece. There are pieces inside of this that I had to glue together and shape together. And then you put the sticker around it to make it look like a little lamp or a hanging lantern. So, I mean, these are very, very teeny little details that you have to put every single little one together. So it takes a lot of patience, and it takes a lot more tools than what they say. Like tweezers have definitely been my friend, and this has definitely been my friend for poking them out of these sheets. That has been extremely helpful. And I've had to use my own glue because it did not come with glue, but it did come with like sticky tabs and tape and stuff. But I think my glue is a lot better. One of the hardest parts to put together or deal with are these little hinges. Look at how teeny these screws are. And guess what? This little tool that fits them is not magnetic. So I have a really hard time getting it in. I don't even think you can see it. Let me see if I can switch it so you can see better. Okay, my camera's acting funny. Hold on. Look at how teeny that hole is. I mean, this is hard. It's finally done, and it was very difficult to put together. It was very difficult. I think if I choose to do any more, it would be easier because I learned a lot getting, putting this together. I mean, some of the instructions, you're left wondering, why are you doing something? But it does make sense in the end. I think this is super cute. Aside from the difficulty of putting it together, this is really super cute. I could not get the light to work. You're supposed to be able to touch here and turn the light on and off. And I do have the sensor underneath this, but for some reason I took about an hour or so fooling with it, and I can't get it to work that way. But you do have the option of, opening up your battery pack here. So I think this is one way of being able to turn it on and off. Like you can open it up and your battery pack's in there. Or it's very good quality, I will say that. Very sturdy. I still have to tweak putting these things in a little bit more tightly. I was just super excited to get it done. But you can also open this end. I don't want to do it because it is so fragile. Very fragile the way that I put it together. Trust me. Someone else who has more expertise with this type of puzzle could probably have put it together and have it been sturdy. I don't trust my craftsmanship on this at all. The door is barely there. For the opportunity to have been able to review this particular puzzle. I think it was super fun. If you want to check it out, all the information will be in the description box below. Cute Bee is the company that sent it to me to review, and they do have an Instagram. Again, it's linked, and you can order directly from them. They have a whole bunch of types of puzzles like this. I mean, they have tons. They really do, for all kinds of like things that you're into. If you're into they have a Christmas one. They have a Christmas shop one. They have like a Halloween shop one. They have a plant one if you're into plants or horticulture and things like that. So it's a really cute little thing. I'm excited to take it to work. I think I'm going to get a lot of coworkers who are going to be oohing and awing all over this. And some of them are going to be wanting to probably order and do one for their own offices because they're into stuff like that. Most of my coworkers are crafty people too. So anyway, this is how it turned out. And it is really super cute. I love all the detail. I mean, very, very detailed. And I love it.